Zora update for you guys. Zora right now sitting just under 3.8 cent. This range looks to be the bottom. Now, if this is a thing, I could be wrong. Zora could drop all the way down to 1 cent, but I'm still gonna be bullish on it, man. I'm still gonna be bullish. I could pull up the Zora app right here, and I could start. I could go through the trending or the top Zoras. Jesse, Nick Shirley, Gary Chan, Balaji, the Jacob coin. I could pull up the Jacob coin, and then I could see his creator coin right here, which is such a great model. His creator coin is right here, and then all the posts that he makes, are posts that could help boost the creator coin and other coins under the creator coin. Because when the main creator coin does well, all of these coins do well. When Zora does well, all of these coins do well. His main coin does well. When these do well and the main coin does well, so does Zora. Zora does well. So it's just this infinite loop of positive. It's just an infinite positive feedback loop for Zora, right? We could take a look under Jacob. We got horse. 2026 is the year of the horse. They selling my horse. No, they're selling my horsey. No, please stop selling my horse. But yeah, horse right now sitting at 387k market cap, right? If you take a look at JS Horn's Jacob, JS Horn, right? This is the founder of Zora right here, Jacob. You can follow him on X, co-founder Zora, right? So look at what he bull post. Well, this isn't necessarily bull posted, but it's a subliminal bull post, right? He's saying the future from now on is a step away from centralized exchanges to decentralized exchanges, right? Which we've already seen that, right? So right here he has the FOMO app. I think this is Axiom. I've never traded on these apps. I only use like Phantom Wallet, MetaMask, right? I did download FOMO app as well, right? But this is Coinbase, so probably the Coinbase wallet or the Base app. Now it's the Base app, right? So we're stepping away from centralized exchanges to decentralized exchanges, and look where all the money is going to. This is his message to let you know, hey, all this money from these, they're gonna move from centralized exchanges with billions of dollars to decentralized protocols to horse. Look, that's horse right there. That's a signal to me to buy some horse. Okay. I tell you y'all, Jacob is gonna send this horse, bruh. I know it. My instincts, everything telling me he's gonna send horse, man. Look at horse, right? Why did he could have picked any other coin to say where the centralized exchange, the decentralized exchange money is gonna flow to, but he picked horse, right? So hey, and remember, right? Say horse does blow up and go to like 100 mil to a billion market cap from here, which is very possible because we see memes in 2024 go to 100 to 400 mil market cap. Even from the end of 2025 to now, we see memes do make moves like that on Solana, right? Obviously, base chain, it doesn't have that liquidity, but we've seen it. You take a look at White Whale, for example, on Solana, which recently hit 200 mil market cap. Let me show you guys. I think base chain will have these types of runs once again, right? They had it with virtual and some of the meme coins on base, right? But they haven't had these explosive moves that Solana had, where like you had like 10, 15 meme coins that went to billions on Solana, right? We haven't seen that for base yet, but it's coming, and I'm confident in my thesis, right? So look at this. This project went to 200 mil market cap, 200 mil market cap from less than a million market cap. From November to now, to January, right? And if you take a look at Pippin, right? Look at Pippin right here. Look at this, right? Pippin went from under 20 mil market cap, under $20 million in market cap, guys, all the way up to $642 million in market cap. That is insane in these market conditions. And that was like when? The 25th of December? That was like a couple weeks ago. That's crazy. So in a month it made a move like that, right? So projects could still do that. They could still do that. And I think horse is gonna do it, right? So that's what I'm saying. So imagine like horse. I know I'm all over the place, but just don't mind me, man. I'm just I'm a yapper, man. I'm a yapper. So horse right now on a dip, they selling my horse. But say horse does make a move to 100 mil to a billion market cap, that's gonna be good for Zora, because horse is peer to Zora. So when projects on the ecosystem does well, Zora will do well. It's that simple. And when Zora does well, say Zora goes 10x here, you might see horse 100x, because horse is like a leverage bet on Zora, pretty much, right? Horse is like a leverage bet on Zora. When Zora goes 100%, horse might go 1,000% or 500%, you know, 300 to 500%, right? This is like a leverage bet on Zora. So again, Zora in a great spot right here, guys. I think now's a good time to DCA. If you haven't DCA'd yet, 50,000 to 100,000, a great bet. 400 bucks in horse right now gets you 1 million horse. We also could see real Gary Tan. These are the 3 Zoras I'm always going to talk about, right? If you have Zoras you want to bull post, you know, you obviously could bull post them as well. But these are the ones I'm talking about. Real Gary Tan on a crazy dip. I think now is a good time to buy the dip, right? $258 gets you 100,000 real Gary Tan. I think this has 100 mil to $1 billion market cap potential. This is a billionaire's coin, bro. This is a billionaire that is friends with Sam Altman, the CEO of ChatGPT and OpenAI. You know ChatGPT, you know OpenAI? This guy is friends with him. This is his coin. This is a billionaire's coin. I'm not gonna fade that. I don't care if it goes to 0. At least I took that risk, right? Because, you know, $257 right now ain't gonna kill me. I'll make that back, right? The man friends with Sam Altman, $600 billion under his name, right? I'm sure he could pump a coin to 100 mil to $1 billion, or the community could come together and make that happen, right? Surrounding just the psychology of it. Just the psychology of it is all it takes, right? So, yeah, Zora in a great spot. I was supposed to pull up some Zora tweets. Hold on, this is the last thing. See what people think on X, man. I'm sure a lot of people are gonna be grave dancing here. Okay, see, this is what I showed you guys. Target from here down to this purple box, the bottom of the purple box, up to 65 cents for Zora. People comparing Zora to virtual. Someone super bearish on Zora, all the way down to less than a cent. Wow, man. Well, somebody's bullish right here. Zora chart update, move up to 30 cents. See, that's what I'm saying. If you have 100,000 Zora, it makes a move up to 30 cent. That's 30K. That's money, man. That's a good gain. That's some great profits, right? Oh, this is a great trader, Mick Sleuth. Bought some Zora here and will continue to buy until 3 cent. Right? Mick Sleuth is a great trader. Don't fade Mick Sleuth. Excuse me. So he's buying Zora in this level, right? Up to 3 cent. Like I said, I'm bullish on this. Obviously might feel painful to buy now, but that's when you want to buy, when it's painful to buy. And if you're right with your thesis, with your plan, you get rewarded the massive gains. If you're wrong, you gotta take that L, bro. You gotta take that L. That's the space that we're in, man. So as always, none of this is financial advice, guys. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, share the videos. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. And